We're here in Dana Point this morning taking a look at a roof for a client of ours. They're buying this home. Yeah, I know, and it's just beautiful. And they were told it's got a brand new roof on it. And he wanted to verify that the roof is brand new. This guy, unfortunately for him, is coming from the Palisades. His old home was burned down. He's relocating down here, down south here. So he's really going to like it. But if this happens to be you as well, you're buying one of these tile roofs, you might really want to get one of these brand new roofs inspected for sure. Okay, so first off, a brand new roof, they reused almost all the old tile and it's breaking all over the place. So most of the roofers will consider this a brand new roof. See this right here? This is more than 3 inches. So the overlap with the two tiles is only about this much. So all the wind driven rain goes up under there, leaks into it, 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 everywhere. This is your brand new roof. 50-year-old tile. It's already totally broken up. More than 3 inches. More than 3 inches. No mortar. Just put some glue on there. Look at that. Broken tiles, baby. Brand new roof. Missing storm collar. Gas is trapped inside the attic. Can't get out from underneath it. Broken tiles. Broken tile. Oh, look at this one. So here you can see they used plastic paper. Dude, this stuff is paper thin. Paper thin. Don't ever let the roofer use that. Plastic is no good. You don't use plastic utensils, do you? We all know not to drink out of plastic water bottles. We all know plastic is bad. Don't put it on your roof. Not good. It deteriorates. Get microplastics into the system. Stop buying plastic, and whatever you do, don't let these roofers put it on your roof. Look at this rich tile. Nice job, huh? Nice and flush there for you. Just put a bunch of goop on it. Leave the other end exposed completely. Yeah, water won't get in there. Yeah, so when you get your brand new roof, if you're not so sure, I mean, look at these caps, dude. This is crazy. Can't have more than 3 inches. Boom. Nutty. Make sure you get your roof inspected, man. Especially before you buy a home. This thing's already a temporary roof covering at best. We'll see you on the next one.